but it's an angle, you know. All right, so we're gonna go on to the big screen. And yeah, so as you can see, for the 24 hours, we're at 1.6 HNT, and we're still going. We also got a 5G helium miner. We got 584,000 mobile coins. We're respectively earning 10,000 mobile coins a day, which that equals to $42 a day passively in 5G coin. So that's that. We're holding 5 heliums in this wallet right here. We got 5 heliums that we're holding, and you know, 7-day activity, 7 coins, 14 days. We got 14 coins. 30 days, we're doing just about 30 coins, so about 1 coin per day. That's just about the average right now. We own 26 hotspots. Out that 26, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We got 13 of those hotspots offline. Something catastrophic happened to them. That's another topic for another video, guys. You know what I mean? But respectively, we I don't know, just technology. Either way, guys, this is just a recap of what we got going on. You know, we're mining the helium, we sending them to the crypto exchanges, and then just like that, we building their portfolios passively. You know, anybody can do this. You could buy these machines right now on eBay for like $100, if that. You know, you'd be lucky if you spend over $150 at this current rate. You know, but yo, tap in to what we got going on over here. Rozzy Grow. We're still mining crypto. We're actively mining. Guys, don't give up on your dreams. If whatever in life, a lot of things happen. You just can't stop. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep going. As you can see, I got 13 machines down. I'm still going. I'm not gonna let nothing stop me. You know, the angles is a little off right now, but we'll figure things out. But guys, make sure you hit that notification button, like and subscribe, stay tuned. I'm Rozzy Grow. We Helium Mining. Until the next one.